Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. Today I have got some interesting stuff to improve your accent. There are different types of accents of English used all around the world, such as British accent, American accent, French, Indian, etc., which make the same English to hear differently. If you are aspiring to speak like a native speaker of English, then this video is going to help you to improve your English accent. Today we are going to focus on the pronunciation of letter R. The presence and the absence of the sound of letter R affects our English accent a lot. Most of the people, except native speakers of English, in other countries, people do not take it seriously. Here I have got some easy tips for you to remember the presence and absence of sound R in our English pronunciation. The first tip is, if letter R is followed by any consonant letter, it gets almost silent. For example, circus. In this word, R is followed by consonant letter C, so it will become silent here. Take another example. Important, morning, platform, universal. Tip number 2. If letter R comes at the end of any word, it gets almost sound of a or a. Here is an example to understand this in a better way. Under. So letter R is coming at the end of this word and it is taking the sound of a at the end. So take some more examples here. Glamour, fear, honor, car. Now let us move to tip number 3, where we can see the letter R is followed by vowel sound. And when it is followed by vowel sound, it sounds clearly. Here is an example for you. R plus vowel sound gives you clear sound of R letter. Example, round, courage, real, trial, run. So these are the examples which make us to understand the presence and the absence of letter R and letter T. As in our previous video, we have seen how the sound of letter R changes its sound in the beginning of any word and at the end how it changes its sound affects our accent and pronunciation of English. In the same way, today we are going to focus on the sound of letter D. Letter D, in the beginning of a word, if it comes, it sounds clearly. Example, doctor, doll, dog, dance. Whereas the same letter D, if it comes at the end of any word, that too with the past tense of any word which ends with letter K. For example, cook, book, park, dark, mark. These words, when they get changed into past tense, they take the help of ed at their end. For example, cooked, looked, booked, parked, marked. You may be noticing the sound of D is changing into the sound of T. Yes friends, I am changing the sound of D, which is coming at the end of those words which end with K letter, changes their sound into T letter. Let us use these words in a sentence and find the change in our accent. For example, my mom cooked noodles for me. My mom cooked noodles for me. I have booked train ticket for tomorrow. I have booked the train tickets for tomorrow. She looked at me eagerly. She looked at me eagerly. I parked my car in the circle. I parked my car in the circle. He marked in his book the important points. He marked in his book the important points. So in this way, you can concentrate on the sound of letter D whenever it comes at the end. Be careful in using it, whether it is coming with K sounding words or whether it is coming just like in arranged, managed, changed, etc. So this is all for this week. Keep practicing the sound of D letter for this week and keep improving your English accent and speak fluently and correct English with your friends and family members. Hope you like this video. If you want more and more tips to improve your fluency and English accent as well as to improve your grammar, keep watching my channel, share, like and subscribe it. Thank you. Bye-bye.